Hello everyone, I just wanted to make a really quick video. I just finished packing for freestyle sessions. I am leaving in 2 days. It's Tuesday, I'm going on Thursday. I'm so freaking excited. So Freestyle Sessions is a curated event from Base Sector. It's 3 days long and it's held in Denver. So this is like a 3-day event festival thing. I thought I would share with you what I pack to fly to a festival in just a carry-on. Keep in mind this is not a camping festival, but nonetheless it's 3 days of concerts, so I thought I'd bring you along. I have packing kind of down to a science. Could definitely use a little bit of improvement, but I've come a long way. I studied abroad in Australia. The standard for what you're allowed to bring on a plane in Australia is much less than what you can bring in America, so I got used to packing extremely light. I thought I would share with you my tips and tricks to packing everything you need for a festival in just a carry-on. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So the first thing I have is this Fjällräven backpack. I'm not 100% sure if that's how you say it, but this thing is literally a lifesaver. I could not live without it. The great thing about this backpack is it's so light. If you have a Fjällräven backpack, you know. If there's nothing in it, it folds completely flat and it's pretty light, so you can put it in another bag and it's like it's not even there. Or you can put it inside your luggage and use it as a packing cube. Another great thing is it opens up all the way. Something I hate when I'm traveling is not having visibility, and this opens up all the way so you can see everything that's inside. So as you can see, the shape of it makes it really easy to pack everything in a super organized way. I'm gonna try to go through this part as quick as possible. So in this bag, I have a pre-made pouch that I bring on every flight. I never change or add anything to it unless I took something out of it. So in here I have all my stuff that I could ever possibly need on a flight. That would just be a complete bummer if I didn't have. So that includes like chapstick, hair elastic, tampon, Advil, compression socks in case my feet are falling asleep, an eye mask. It has a million things in here and it all fits into this little bag and I never have to think about it. This is just my travel bag and I always keep that in my backpack that I'm going to keep under the seat. Then I have a neck pillow. This one's great. It's memory foam. They have them at every single airport. They are a little bit pricey. You can get one for so much cheaper, but just since I traveled a lot, I decided to get one that was really good for that 16-hour flight. The next thing I have is this other little pouch, and you'll see a common theme. I love little pouches to organize everything. So this pouch is not completely organized right now because I'm gonna need to add stuff to it, but this has all my electronic stuff in it. I got this pouch from Burlington. You can look, I'm sure, on Amazon and other places like Ross and TJ Maxx for cheap little bags like this. Then I have a book. Next thing I have are pair of shoes. So these are my white Vans that I'm going to be bringing with me on the trip. I brought 2 pairs of shoes, which I will show you in a minute, and that is one of them. Then I also have this towel. This towel is amazing. It wraps up so small and I use it as a blanket for the flights, and then also whenever I need a towel, this also doubles as a towel. These towels are really great. I got mine at Cotton On. I'm not sure what they're called. It's just a common travel towel because it absorbs a ton of water as if it's a full huge towel, but it's so much smaller. So I don't remember exactly where I left off because the camera died, and because it died I had to move the camera, so if this is a different angle, sorry, that's gonna bother me when I'm editing. So I can't remember if I said this, but I'm wearing the outfit that I'm gonna wear on the plane right now for the video, and I'm also gonna be wearing these boots. So I wanted to bring 2 pairs of shoes. I wanted 1 pair of boots and 1 pair of sneakers, so I'm wearing the bigger pair onto the plane, so that's one less thing I have to pack and take up room in the bag. Bringing my white Doc Martens that are Velcro. They're getting in a little bit of tough shape. Yeah, you can see from the bottom, these are so dirty. These are some of my go-to festival shoes. So this is my initial pack. I have this suitcase that I got from Ross, I believe. So this is a standard carry-on size. Honestly, I might try to take a few things out. This is my standard pack, and I have this extension unzipped, and it is pretty tight, so I'll see what I can do, but some of the things that I'm bringing are kind of big, so we'll see. So, you can see everything. When you first open the bag, you can see that I have, on this side, my vibration that I just have on the top because it doesn't take up much space. Then I have everything in these packing cubes. In this smallest packing cube, I think I got all of these either off of Amazon or at Marshall's. They're literally, you can find them in so many different places and they're lifesavers. I have all my bras, pairs of socks, and pairs of underwear in this small one that I'm not going to open. Then in this one, which is the same size because I have 2 sets, they come with packs of 3. In the next one, I have 2 pashminas, one rainbow fun one and one white one. Got this one at Electric Florist. My friend Blair actually gave it to me. Thank you, Blair. This one's not a real pashmina, but I got it for like $5, $10 bucks at Burlington. Then I have all of my bandanas. I brought like 7 because I can never decide. That's something I can definitely take out of here, but I like to have options since they don't take up too much room. In this next pack cube, I have everything that I'm going to be wearing for the weekend. So I'm going to the 3 nights of the Bay Sector event, and then I'm also going to a concert during the daytime on Saturday, one of the pre-parties. So to open up this one, I'm bringing these sequin bell bottoms. As you can see, they are iridescent, and this matching butterfly top. This is like my version of wearing Bay Sector merch because of his song Butterfly. And then I also packed a strapless bra in here just to make sure it stays with outfits that need it, for a bonus outfit just in case I don't feel like wearing one of those. I have this matching set. It's like a pair of capris and a matching crop top that I got from Dolls Kill. See, this is super comfy. This is something I can wear if I just feel like covering up more. So that's my one bonus outfit. The next thing I brought was this leather set, again from Dolls Kill. It's a bandeau, a pair of white shorts that match. Those don't fit me great. They're a little big on the waist, so I brought one extra pair of shorts in case the shorts are really bothering me. And that is going to go with this. This is kind of like what's taking up half the side of this bag, which is why I feel like I don't have a ton of room. I have this furry yarn jacket from Current Mood. It's neon. I love it, and I figure this will go great with this white set. The last thing that I have is this Bay Sector shirt that I got made. It's another bandeau, and I just found someone in LA that could print on it. And then I have these, again, bell-bottom snakeskin pants. I got these at some store called, I think it was called Mileage Clothing, for literally 20 bucks. It's in San Diego, so if you live in this area, I'm sure you've heard of it. That's like the classic store in San Diego to get rave clothes. So I'm just gonna pack up this side again. See, it all fits in literally perfectly. Oh, I actually have a little bit more room in there. Maybe I'll put my sneakers there. I actually think these will fit. Yes, that's perfect. That fits even better than before. So you can see I literally just Tetris that stuff in there, and it's so much easier to do that with these packing cubes. Now moving on to this side. This is where I like to keep things that are more loose. Like I keep the bigger stuff on this side because it can't get zipped in. You can see everything in here is still in all in these little bags. So in this one, I'm not going to go through it all, but I just brought my makeup. I honestly could have packed lighter for the makeup. I might go through and take some of this out, but this is pretty much palettes and brushes, and then this is the rest of my miscellaneous makeup. And these are all random bags that I've gotten from beauty boxes. It's bonus gifts from places like Victoria's Secret, or I just got at Marshalls and TJ Maxx. So I either spent $0 to max like $7 or $8 on all of these bags. And this one, I kept my actual concert tickets, so I don't have to worry about that. I have some sunglasses, some fun, funky sunglasses, my kaleidoscope glasses, which, holy crap, it's so hard to see in these. I also have tampons and stuff, just in case. I have glitter, band-aids, and gauze, and then if you've seen my Electric Forest unbagging video, you know I like to keep these little bags that I get every year in here. I just have all my jewelry, necklaces, and earrings in here. So again, the theme keeps going of like little baggies inside little baggies. The next thing that I have is this laundry bag. It's awesome. It just folds into itself. So I think my mom got me this at like Marshalls. So it's literally just a duffel bag that has a pocket on the front, and then you fold it into its own pocket, and the pocket's zipper is reversible, which just closes it up. And this is where I keep all of my dirty underwear and stuff that I want to keep completely separate from my clean clothes. The next thing I have is all of my PJs. Here I have like a pair of leggings, a pair of boxers. I think I can take some of this stuff out. I don't need all this stuff. I'm gonna take out this shirt. Me and my friends have this ugly base nectar shirt that my friend found thrifting. As soon as she sent us this shirt, we told her she had to get it. It's like one of those ugly shirts that looks like you're wearing a suit, if you can tell, and has the old nectar symbol on it. We just got this over the winter, so we're gonna have someone wear this shirt every time we go to a set and write down the name of the set, which we think is so cute and funny. So far it's been to Deja Vu and Coachella. Now we can add freestyle sessions to that. Oh, another thing, I fold and roll everything so nothing gets wrinkly. So like I said, a couple nectar shirts. I have a long sleeve one, a short sleeve one. I can wear to bed, a pair of boxers, and a pair of leggings for sleep. I brought this fanny pack to wear one night if I ever want to feel cute and not have this backpack. Next, I have another one of these medium-sized packing cubes, and this is where I keep all of my clothes for the day. So we're planning on exploring Denver and Boulder when we're there. I brought a cute crop top. I brought a tank top because I think that the weather in Denver can change kind of at the drop of a dime, so I'm ready kind of for a lot of different weather. This is another tank top, and this is kind of stuff that I packed a few of because it's so small I can get away with packing a little bit extra. A crop top t-shirt. I brought another graphic t-shirt, another crop top t-shirt, a band tee, a fishnet bodysuit in case I want to layer it with a band tee. I brought a pair of classic blue jeans, and then I brought this funky pair of Almighty pants with the chain. So this has me covered if I want to feel funky and fun, or if I just want to go basic. And I had one basic bottom, one fun bottom, and then multiple different silhouettes of shirts. So if I wanted to wear something tight, more fitting, I have that option. But if not, I can also wear something loose fitting if I'm kind of feeling gross and stuff after the concerts. I have so many outfits in this medium-sized packing cube. Literally all of my daytime outfits are in this little tiny thing, and all of my time outfits are in this bigger one. That includes that huge jacket. This just keeps everything so combined, and it keeps you accountable for how many things that you're bringing because it's in a more confined space. The next thing is another little bag. This is where I think I could actually save some space by taking out of the bag. I think I'm actually gonna put all of this in here because this stuff can flatten out. So in here I have a cheetah belt to accessorize and make my outfits more fun. When you're traveling, you want to make sure you have some basic and some crazy stuff so your outfits won't always just be boring because you only have so much room. This is like a chain belt that I got off of Amazon that will go with daytime and nighttime outfits. I have another white chain belt that I got from Mileage in San Diego. Next, I have a harness from Dolls Kill for one of my nighttime outfits. Finally, I have this like fanny pack, body pack situation I got from Dolls Kills as well. Finally, in my bag, I have another one of those easy travel bags. So in this bag, I have for everything from deodorant to a hairbrush to dry shampoo to makeup remover, toothpaste, razor, lotion, moisturizer for my faces, and anything that I could possibly need while traveling that I'll never have to think about, so I never feel like I'm forgetting everything. Honestly, you could probably take a lot of stuff out of this at this point. I think I'm gonna do that before I go to Electric Forest, but for now, I have this put right in this corner. Oh, just like that. Everything is packed up again. My camera is dying, and this is everything I'm bringing to freestyle sessions this weekend. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this inspired you to pack light and efficiently for your next festival and helped you out a little bit. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!